Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. Here to show you another amazing pre-owned vehicle, 2015 Volkswagen Jetta, Comfortline diesel. It's awesome, great on fuel. I mean, what a nice looking vehicle. This just came out of our detail shop. It's just shining. Nate did an amazing job. He always does. There you go. TDI. All buffed up. This guy makes them shine. Got a nice tint all around. Got nice alloy wheels. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Yeah, lots of cool things. It's even got the protective film on the front. So right down the front there's a protective film. That helps to protect against stone chips or anything like that. You got the fog lights down there. You can see right there. Boom. So lots of cool features. Again, that protective film really helps on a black vehicle, because unfortunately when you get a chip or anything on a black vehicle, it's definitely going to show more than, let's say, a lighter colored car. So again, nice little feature. Let's take a look at the trunk real quick. So Nate always leaves the mats back here. So as you can see, a good sized trunk, split folding. So you can fold those seats down if you need a little bit extra space, do a little home project. Definitely have the ability to get that done. Throw that back in there. Check out the rear. Nice cloth seats. Carpets are in nice shape. You got a little 12 volt there. Everything's in nice shape. You got power windows back here. So again, functionable. Diesel. Don't forget diesel. Here we go. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. One nice feature, you've got an adjustable driver's seat right there. You got your lights, interior illumination. You got the reminder, make sure you put diesel in the car. Real important. We've seen it the odd time someone trades something in or buys something and it's just a mistake, but let's remember, this is diesel. Push button start. There we go. I'm gonna turn it on because I'm a little hot. So let's have a look at this car. I'm just gonna turn down this. I'm gonna crank the air a little bit so I don't. There we go. Maybe I'll turn the heated seats off. So again, when it just comes out of the detail shop, we like to dry it all out. So you got all your volume controls, Bluetooth cruise controls right here, Bluetooth hands-free calling right at the steering wheel, right at the fingertips. Great safety features to have. What else we got? We got push button start. Great feature. Here's all your temperature controls. You got heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. So nice feature. Nice big touchscreen. There it is. Big backup camera. You got your hazards here. Some lights. Nice cool air coming out. Dash is all in nice shape, as you can see. And I mean, it's a diesel, so 131,000 kilometers, but it's a diesel. It'll go forever. Unless, that's the best thing about it. As you can see, the headliner's in nice shape. You know, we'd like to show this, be completely transparent. That way, if you're like me, you like to do a little bit of couch shopping or anything like that, you know that this vehicle is in gorgeous shape before you come see us. So again, proximity key, push button start, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, backup camera, touch screen. It's got it all with the legendary diesel. So again, we just showed you a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta, Comfortline TDI. As always, you can call, text, or email us. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.